much have everything as far buttoned up as we probably can at this point. We fired it up, ran it, but it doesn't have any coolant or water in it yet, so that's what we're gonna do first here. But once we do that, then I'm gonna clear the codes, the check engine light codes that are on there. There's about 4 of them. I think we covered a couple of them, so we'll do that, put the coolant in it, fire it up, burp the system, and then we're gonna go on our first drive. So this is non-diluted. This is full strength coolant, baby. So I got a gallon of water and a gallon of this. So we're gonna dump it both in and go from there. Hopefully we don't have any leaks. Gross, dude, that's a terrible angle. Since I don't have an overflow tank, we're gonna use a pop bottle. Tucked in behind the horn.
Beautiful.
Got the trusty old Subaru key. Give it a fire and roll.
That's really healthy.
Yeah, it sounds good. I think we figured out most of it from this point. We adjusted the throttle. It was running a little rich at first. And one of the injectors was unplugged when we first picked it up, or when we first started it. Now, plugged in the injector, and it's running on all 4 cylinders. And the idle is almost perfect, so I'm really excited to drive it, to be honest with you. Buckle up, get in, let's go. For now, let's close this puppy.
Oh,
I'm scared.
Oh.
I've never had it closed. We could probably let her eat from now on. All right, let's go. Get in. Come on, let's go. Very good. I'm freaking antsy, dude.
Are they locking you there?
Aha! Oh, yours rolls down, mine doesn't. When I flip the switch, the brights come on, but when I flip the switch...
Well, that's a switch problem, man.
Yeah, definitely. Oh my God, we're driving. Dude, not bad. There is no brakes. There's definitely no brakes. It reads that it's a car. At least the gate works and recognizes that we got a car. Oh yeah.
It sounds good.
Definitely. And it accelerates fine. I mean, I'm not even like really on the pedal or anything crazy.
Super smooth, healthy.
It seems really nice, man. Like I'm kind of blown away at the moment. The transmission feels nice, the clutch pedal feels nice. The gas, I mean, I was like barely accelerating with the pedal. And to be honest with you, in order to stop, I could just use the gear to get me to slow down enough.
That rear brake light is insanely bright.
Oh, like on the wing?
Yeah, it's insane. Now the ABS is kicking in. That's weird.
Yeah, that's something we're gonna have to figure out.
Don't get too far. I don't want to walk that far back to the shop for my truck.
I'll go to the light and we'll turn around.
That's far.
Dude, we're not. I don't think we're gonna break down. I honestly think I'm gonna drive it home.
Okay.
Get the rocks out of the tires at least. least.
I don't think that was rocks. It was probably bolts that we didn't turn around.
Epic now.
We got bogeys on our sticks.
Bogeys, they're coming in hot.
Uh-oh.
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 Oh, it didn't die.
What? Relax. Go, 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 go. Yeah. 35. 40.
And he misses a gear. This thing is cranking, man.
It's not even, it was like one.
Damn.
One.
Woof. Hot boy. If I pump the brakes, I can stop. Hey, in the comments, you guys, seriously, thank Mike for this. He is like the #1 dude to make this happen. And wow, I am impressed and very, very thankful for Mike, for sure. Like,
Of course,
badass
of
brother.
course. I appreciate the love.
I did just hear the fans kick on, so that's a good sign.
Yep.
And we're not overheating.
This is good.
And the car and the gate still recognizes we're a car. Wow, dude. I'm stoked on this. Pumped. Oh, and that back tire's a little sketchy too.
Seems like this whole car is just a little bit sketchy.
We like to live it a little risky around here.
A little risky
You know,
for the biscuit.
little redneck.
Yeah. No.
All we care about is the gas pedal, the brake pedal. I'm kidding. 100% kidding. Brakes are very important.
This guy behind us is like, what are these motherfuckers doing?
Yeah. This dude's holding the camera. This other guy, he's just freaking rolling around with a smile on his face. The lights on in the car. I wonder if they're smoking crack.
We're in a pretty decent neighborhood too, driving a pretty clapped out car. Okay, he's got
Dude,
zip
it's
ties.
not clapped,
It's
man.
got zip ties holding the bumpers on. Okay, not even the cool little rubber O-rings. There's zip tie.
Not a bad first drive. Not a bad first drive. Well, I'm gonna drive this home, believe it or not.
Down, boy. Whoa.
Oh yeah. Oh, ugh. Don't breathe that in. Oh, dude, it's freaking pissing out. Oh yeah, dude. She's pissing hard. Huh. I'm gonna get the light. I ain't got time for bitches. Bad boy. You make me feel so good. Hot.
Yeah, I am. Thanks. Much obliged.
Get out of here. I said no one never.
What? Exactly. That's what I was thinking.
Old rag.
Oh, rag-a-dag.
Clean up my mess. Yeah. Yeah.
Gotta get all the...
Your old lady's rag. Not funny, kids. Not funny.
It's not bad. That sounds pretty decent. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that is actually gonna wrap up this series on this guy. For now, it's gonna stay this way, just a 2.2 liter, and I'm gonna use it as a daily driver, fix a couple other things on it. this summer we might enroll in Rallycross, but what I would like to really honestly know is if you guys would drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about it, because me and Mike are leaning more towards sending it.
I want to send it. We're not leaning. We're sending it. it's happening.
I mean, he did say that it was pretty linear power when we turned it up. I put the pedal to the floor earlier.
Yeah, so it'll do something.
I think it would at least be fun nonetheless. But as it sits now, I did fix the coolant leak that we did have. I forgot to put the clamps on the heater hose lines. Other than that though, she ran great. I mean,
super smooth.
Super good. I think we just leave it, chase down a couple of the issues, and yeah. So that's gonna be it on this. You guys might see it in the background a little bit, but we're gonna be moving into some things that you're really gonna wanna see. And that's gonna be all pure STI content. I'm talking 1,000, 1,100, 1,200 horsepower STI. VA, baby. So, yeah, I'm super pumped. Finally made some room in the shop, and that's kind of one of the reasons that I pushed to get this out of here. But other than that, if you guys haven't already, click the subscribe button down below. Leave a comment letting us know if you want to see it in the Rallycross or anything like that. And share this buddy with a couple of your friends. You know, help me get some traction. One of the reasons I brought Mike on was to get exposure, so we're really trying to push for that, especially with my STI. Other than that though, if you like this video, you know what to do. Turn that button blue down below. And other than that, I guess we'll see you guys in the next one, so stay tuned. Let's go.